Hello everyone, this is a girl Keisha here. Welcome back. So today I'm gonna do some king prawn fried rice with mixed vegetables. So yes guys, so for you to achieve this look, please keep watching. So over here I have my plain white rice cooked. I have some mixed vegetables here. I have my raw king prawns over here. I have soya sauce. I have my high spray. I have butter. I have 4 eggs. Here I have a portion of cut up scallion. I have just a half teaspoon of parsley, half teaspoon of ginger, garlic powder, half teaspoon of hot chili powder, half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of pink salt. So okay now guys, so with my egg, I'm gonna do my egg first in this pan. So over here I have a clean bowl where I'm gonna break each egg and take out the white bit from all of it. So you see I'm taking out my the white out of the egg. So this is gonna be a fiddly process because I definitely don't want it in my egg at all. So there it is. Put that over here. And the next one, so yes guys, this will be a continual process with the 4 egg. There it is. And last one. Okay guys, so wash my hands. So I will turn the stove on while I'm gonna beat out my egg here. Okay, leave that here. So over here guys, I have my grapeseed oil spray. So I'm gonna just spray some in the pan. Not much, just want the pan to be just to grease it. So now I'm just gonna scramble my egg. Just so that it's cooked and scrambled out. Not too fine this one. Okay, this finished. So I'll take it off and just in my small bowl here. Okay. So leave this one side for now. Over here I have my wider pan to do my king prawn fried rice and egg in it. So I will turn the stove up to get it warmed up. So again guys, I'm gonna use more of my spray just to do my king prawns. So now I'm gonna season my raw prawns, as you see there, quite raw and fresh. Over here I have my season. So this is the all-purpose. So this is half teaspoon of all-purpose in it, half teaspoon of pink salt, and half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of chili powder. So I will just use these ingredients for now and leave the onion and the parsley behind till when I'm ready for it. So I'm just going to quickly season my king prawns, because I don't want it to be too plain. So it's your choice guys. If you don't want to use any season on it and you just want to just do your fried rice without no season on your prawn, that's fine. But I like it to be a bit more tasty with season. Okay guys, so I have my hand wash. So over here now I'm gonna put my prawns in the pan. So again guys, it's not much oil, just to bring the prawns to fry but not overcooked. Because as you know, we don't want any rubber prawns to eat. Okay. So just turn each one, just that they cook even, and we don't want it to overcook, but we want it to cook properly. They don't eat raw shellfish, no. Okay, so I will just remove this from the pot for now. Looking good guys. Lovely. I will just scrape my onion in. Spray a bit more. Add in this pan. Don't want it too super dry. I'm gonna throw my rice in. So I'm gonna stir well just to make sure my rice even out. Because I see I have some. So over here, I'm gonna put some mixed vegetable. So now I will add my eggs. Over here I'm going to use just a bit of butter. I will use just this bit of butter, so it will be like half teaspoon of butter. Okay, so now I will add my prawns. And my dry parsley. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my soy sauce. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay. Looking lovely guys. So here I have my authentic king prawn fried rice with egg with mixed vegetable. Smell good and it's really look good guys. So this is very delicious meal and I know you will definitely enjoy this also. So brilliant. So I'm going to turn the stove off now because I come to the end of this fried rice. So it's finished cooked, all looking good, smell good as well, it's not greasy, just gorgeous. Yes guys, I hope you're enjoying watching this video. with me today, because I surely enjoy having you, and I appreciate having you watching this video. So yes guys, so I'm gonna serve a portion of my king prawn fried rice with egg. You can do your king prawn fried rice with anything. If you're not a seafood person, or you're not a shellfish, you're allergic to shellfish, you can have chicken breast. You can have it with just veg only, if you're vegetarian. You can have it with any little thing that you like. Okay. Perfect guys, looking good, looking good, looking good. So I will move this out the way just to give you a bit view of my king prawn fried rice. So this is my delicious authentic king prawn fried rice with egg and mixed vegetable, and this is my own way doing my king prawn fried rice at home. So guys, you can do it in any little way you like it. If you don't like most of my ingredients I use, you can use yours that you like. If you're not a shellfish person, as I said again, you can use chicken breast. So yes, you can have this with anything. You can have it quite delicious, looking nice guys. So here I'm gonna give you a taste of my beautiful king prawn. So you see all lovely to look. It's not overcooked and it's not rubbery, so this is delicious guys. So I'm gonna taste, and I hope you enjoy tasting it as well. Oh my, okay. This tastes delicious. It tastes really delicious. I can assure you, it tastes delicious and it's look delicious, and it is delicious. Lovely. I hope you enjoy it. Taste. This tastes great. After talking once more, and I will give you a taste of it. This is my authentic fried rice with egg and king prawns. Guys, this is lovely. You will love it. And again, if you'd like to see more of this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any question that you want to ask me, please leave me a message below at my like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Appreciate you watching. Keep blessed. Love you guys. Bye.